There's a place in your heart.
So we all know that A here is 1, A here is also 1, and then A is also 1 here. By applying property number 4, right? So we have A, and then 1, so we have 1 times 5, then you have B, 1 times 5, then multiply by A, and then 1 times 7, my 1 times 7, and then B is negative 4 times 7. So this one is 1 times 7. But remember this part, this first part, AB, okay, you have the bracket outside. That means the entire problem on top is power of 7, right? So you can multiply also this one by, we can do this way since we type it already. So we can just put 7 in there, alright? Over negative 4 times 7, okay? Then the denominator is 1 times 5, then B, negative 2 times 5, negative 2 times 5. Alright, now let's simplify this bracket. All you have to do is write A, then 1 times 5 is 5, and then multiply by 7, and that will become 35. Yeah? So 1 times 5 is 5, times 7 is 35. And then for B, this will become 1 times 5 is 5, again, times 7 is 35. Then simplify this part, it will become 5. A, 1 times 7 is 7. And then B, negative 4 times 7 is negative 28. Then the denominator here, simplify it. So you have A, then 1 times 5 is 5. And then B, you have negative 10. Correct. So you have negative 10. And then by applying the property number 1, yeah? So applying the property number 1, we can just simply add the value of A. So that means this one, it can be like A 35 plus 7 is 42, and then B 35 minus 28, right? So it will become 7, and then over just simply A5 B minus 10. And then by applying property number 2, okay, so we can just simply cut here. So 42 minus 5, this will become 37, right? It's 42 minus 5 because when you put up this A and then put it up, the power will become negative. So it will become 42 minus 5, and that is 37, right? Then 7 plus 10, so it will become A 37. Okay, do you understand?